Hello everyone.
Hi.
Yeah, today I'll be learning a bhaji from my father, and as it's winter season, we get a lot of vegetables now, like wal papdi, potatoes, small eggplants, and then radish, carrots, and kanda, mutton, and so many other vegetables. In the morning, we went out fresh and we got these lovely vegetables. Now, let me show you some of the preparations. Here we have the marinated potato and the coconut filling. Then we have the eggplants, and here we have kept on the stove some vegetables. It's gonna be really fun cooking all this. Here, yeah, the vegetables we have kept to dry because they were wet. Even we have raw banana over here. We'll be back in a few in like some time because now we have still not finished the preparation of like cutting and all. So we'll be back. So now let me tell you what all vegetables we have here. We have some radish, drumstick, carrots, yam, and raw banana. Here in this pot we have a lot of green veggies, that is papdi, like these seeds. Then we get mutton, that's it in this. Now let my father explain about the potatoes and the brinjals, so that like the stuffing and all.
So we have here small potatoes, and they are filled up with the coconut mixture. Then coconut we have added some coriander, then garam masala plus green chilies. Then also we have added turmeric powder and our normal red chili powder.
Yeah.
That stuffing we have made, it is without water we have made, only the grated coconut along with the all masalas, and salt also we have added right now only, and salt we have added a little bit more, so all these vegetables will get marinated and everything properly. So we will not be adding any salt after this directly in cooking.
Yeah.
So that's it, and then we will be requiring more of oil. We have taken almost this much oil. Then hing, we have taken rye, and then jeera. So we'll be without this entire cooking will be without adding any water in it.
Okay.
It will be basically with raw coconut filling plus oil and
All
steam.
these vegetables.
Steam.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
We will be also adding this
Kanda.
kand. You call in Marathi we call it as a konfal.
And we have
also
put it in water.
We have cut it and put it in the water. It is very sticky. Also the wal papdi we clean like this. Inside this seeds, the danas we are taking for cooking. Also this papdi is something like this. A bean type. Not exactly a French bean, but different type of bean it is. We are taking it like this. We are removing all the shades of it, and then also
we cut we hand
like it.
Yeah,
so
it has similar seeds. Like we just put it in.
We have already, these are already boiled and
nicely cutted vegetables.
Little bit haldi powder we have added it. So if anything germs or anything else will be there,
that's
it is
gonna get
antiseptic.
Yeah.
Haldi works as an antiseptic, so we are adding in all the
whatever we cleaned, we put haldi in
haldi powder and possibly salt.
Yeah.
This is also a texture. We have marinated potato over here, and this is what the consistency of coconut, grated coconut.
It should be like not very liquid and not very solid.
So
also.
Let us start with the exactly cooking. I'll just on the gas over here.
We'll keep it at a low flame because we don't want the vegetables to burn.
Not low flame, it's a medium flame.
Okay, medium.
And then
oil. When it gets heated, we'll put some oil in it.
We'll add this oil.
We're gonna add the whole oil we have.
It's a moreover type undio, but we are not adding methi mutiyas and other vegetables and also a green garlic.
And it
We
is
are
not
not
a
adding.
Gujarati delicacy, it's a practically a Maharashtrian delicacy.
It is our traditional from my parents and my all the grandparents and ancestors used to make this. So I have learned this from my parents
Yeah.
and families.
Okay.
This is we have cut it like thick because it gets cooked very fast.
And we get a better taste also. It's
This will be adding very
at the end.
at the end. Yes, exactly,
And-
Paulami.
Yeah.
Since now Paulami is almost every year we are
make
planning this bhaji at least twice in a
Yeah, twice a
winter
year.
season.
Yeah,
So
because in
she-
winter we
she's
get
more
all
of-
this.
Aware of this bhaji now.
Yeah. I actually helped in all the shelling of the wal papdi and all. Okay, we'll let the oil heat, otherwise it's not gonna be good. Okay.
Now oil is
Heated.
heated. We'll add
Right.
mustard seeds. A spoonful or maybe more.
Yeah.
It will give nice good. You can
Taste
you can hear out the
noise. Like we
noise
get a
of
crackling
crackling
noise.
noise. We'll
Now,
also add curry pattas.
like we need to be a little far from it because otherwise it's gonna fly on your face. We don't want that, so just keep it at a hand distance and then put it.
Now rye is almost cracked. So we'll add some jeera
Jeera.
into it. Jeera, I love jeera, so I almost most of the time I put more jeera on my all the preparations.
Yeah, and I don't think you may be able to hear, but it's making a lot of noise, so we come to know that it's properly cooking. Jeera gives actually a good taste to food.
First we'll be adding
The
these
Brinjals?
stock brinjals.
Okay. You put
We'll
some of it,
keep-
I'll put some.
We'll keep one by one.
Okay.
Paulami, you want to keep?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Be careful. Huh?
Yeah.
Don't throw it. Keep it down. Otherwise, more. Don't do like this.
Okay.
You have to keep it. Otherwise, it will oil will.
Start
If you
flying.
throw the
I think we should put it a little low flame. No?
that's fine, Babu.
Okay. I'm sure the masala will give a very good
We
taste.
are making this bhaji in a more amount because we are having our guests also at home. Like they not guests, but
Family.
our
Relatives.
in-laws. My in-laws are coming.
Yeah. So you can see my grandparents are coming.
Pauline's grandparents are coming.
Shouldn't we add that masala?
That will add it last. Now we'll also place all the
Potatoes.
potatoes because potatoes and brinjal will take time to
To
cook.
cook.
Other vegetables we have already boiled and
Like
carrot and radish will get cooked fast.
Yeah.
So that will be adding last. Once this almost half cooked, then we'll add the
Yeah,
other vegetables.
and like the kanda has comes in two types, purple and white. Here we have the white one as like South Indian people use it, but like that was all we could get. But you can also use the purple. That also gives a very nice taste.
We can add more vegetables to it also.
Yeah.
Such as we call what alcohol. Then also we'll call it as a what you say that
Beans?
barbecha shinga.
Okay.
But that we didn't get in the market today.
Yeah.
So we are whatever available we are trying to
Get put it.
this.
And
This is now left over the
Masala.
masalas.
You
that
might-
will be adding later on.
Yeah, you
So-
might think that like the potatoes, why are they cut and not like brinjals? Because the potatoes, if we cut it too much, then they're gonna break. And if we stuff it again, like when it's cooking, it will break. So what we thought, we'll cut it into pieces and then we'll nicely marinate it and keep it.
Now we have
Put the vegetables.
potatoes and brinjals here. We'll let them
Cook.
cook for some time. maybe 15 minutes.
Till then, like you can wait till then. We'll pause. Okay, so let me open this now. I feel it's quite cooked. It's like a lot of steam is coming out, as you can see, and also the fragrance is actually filling the full room. Not like just I'm standing here now because of that. It's actually very nice. I guess you can see it. Yeah, it looks and like smells very good. Now here we have our like all the vegetables. I told you like these vegetables which we put in water. So yeah, 1 second. So okay, here we have the excess masala. Let us put the vegetables here. Let's put. Okay, we'll do it step by step so like everything gets covered nicely. We are gonna cover it with this mixture. So every part of the vegetable, like the whole bhaji, gets a nice taste. Wow.
Add now.
I'll add now? Okay.
Don't put entire masala, just marinated. Because
Okay.
we'll be requiring other masala for
Okay.
this stuff also.
Okay.
Don't select like this, just I'll show you.
I'll just take this way.
Yeah.
Okay, that way. Later on, once like if the masala is still left, we'll put it, right?
Yes.
Because I really liked it.
Put this aside.
Yeah.
Mix it first.
Okay, I'll mix it first. Okay.
It will get flavor to it, na?
Oh yeah. Otherwise, like one part will be there and no other one. Okay. Wow, that's a nice big hand. I'll mix it.
Wait, I'll add, then you mix it.
Okay.
One for all.
You can eat this with either like bhakris or white rice or brown rice, whatever you like. And you can also eat it with normal chapatis. Because this is not a gravy vegetable or this is not a solid. So it's both, right? So you can use it.
Paulami will prefer with white rice.
Yes. I'll mix it now.
Yes, mix.
I always prefer with white rice. Like this.
Not like this, Paulami. I'll show you how to mix it.
I'm little scared it will come out.
No, how it will come out? From down you have to.
So all that brinjals will also be there, right?
Exactly. All brinjals, all potatoes and
Yeah.
all bhajis will get mix it nicely.
Yeah.
Hai na?
Yeah.
Masala is also getting.
Should I add this masala also here?
You can add in keep it in one plate and put other plate for wash.
Yeah. So otherwise we won't know and then the masala for the bhaji will be less.
You can show on video like how
Yeah.
it got mixed now.
Yeah, I can. 1 second. Let me just rinse my hands so then I can show them. I'm sure they all are eager to see it. Okay.
And still the flame is medium only.
Yeah. So we have not rushed with anything. You can see it. Doesn't it look good? And these are like basically we were able to make this because these are all winter vegetables. Like not carrot and brinjal, like the other ones. So now let's see. It's almost been like 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm pretty sure it should be cooked. Okay, let's keep the lid here. And okay, let me try a potato. Okay, it's cooked very well. Like almost 70 to 80% has been cooked. And again, I'm telling that it smells really good. Can you see? Yeah. Even the newly added carrots, radish and everything has been cooked really well. I feel like almost eating it, but we can't right now. Okay. So yeah. Here, like you can see these boiled veggies we have right here. So I guess now, like you know that what all veggies are there, and also we have boiled and drained them. So now it's time to put it.
You have removed water. You can put that.
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. The winter is like my favorite season, so I actually like these vegetables also. So I'll keep this right here. We need to mix it, or we'll just keep just nicely keep it. We'll keep it, no?
We'll mix it.
Okay, we'll mix it. Okay, with the traditional style of mixing. And now you can see that it's getting mixed. It's getting mixed, and so we are putting the boiled vegetables. After it cooks, like now we are gonna add the kanda, and after that we'll let it cook till everything is nice. Remember not to put the water with the kand. And lastly we'll be adding the excess masalas, which is over here. Yeah. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna come out really very well. And remember that try not to use a spoon to put the kanda. I know it's sticky, but we can't risk putting the water in this, otherwise the whole thing is gonna get spoiled. Oh, we need to break it?
No, it was not cut properly.
Oh, okay.
So I'm just making it proper.
Exactly, like how did you come to know about this?
It is like my ancestor at my village. They call this bhaji as a ukad handi.
Okay, what does ukad handi mean?
Ukad handi means, ukad means it's steamed.
Okay.
And handi means the bhaji which has been made into
Earthen pot.
or handi.
Yeah.
So,
and we keep it in a bonfire, na?
Yeah. How they traditionally they make the preparation of everything.
Okay.
Oil and everything they will add to the earthen pots.
Okay.
Like that they will make many 3 or 4 handis of like this.
Okay, so that much they used to eat?
No, not that much, because earlier the means like family members were 10 to 15 because of joint families.
Okay,
and
okay.
So you need to make it on a larger quantity.
Okay.
So 2-3 handis they used to make this bhaji.
Okay.
And it is like in some festivals or this we used to have the gatherings or anything.
Huh.
So this was the main traditional bhaji they used to prepare along with the rice, and the earlier recipe I have shown you that ambat varan.
Yeah.
So this bhaji with dal and that ambat varan and rice goes very well.
I think they don't know about ambat varan. Maybe we can do a next video about it.
Yeah, we'll definitely do. I think earlier you have done that video.
Yeah, I have done.
Okay. So this bhaji, how they used to make that, they used to cover these earthen pots with banana leaves.
Banana leaves, okay.
Banana leaves, they used to tie it properly. Inside also they used to put
Bhaji.
leaves and this like this mixture, everything. So everything they used to put it together, and then used to on bonfire.
Okay. But I also heard that some people they used to put it in mud ovens.
Mud ovens, or they used to dig out some soil, and then inside they will put some coals or
maybe wood.
Woods, yeah.
And then they place the handi on it, right?
Handi on it, and then they cover again they will cover with it.
With mud?
Mud, not mud.
With
leaves and all the woods and.
Okay.
So this is almost, bhaji is almost full out of this, but once it will be more cooked, it will set down.
This fell down. Let's put the lid, and yeah, we will come to know that it's cooked when the steam starts coming.
Yeah, it will take more 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay.
Till then we'll allow this to
Cook.
cook. We have covered the lid properly.
Yeah.
Steam will not go out of it. So
Okay.
let's wait for next 10 to 15 minutes. Fire.
Oh. Maybe it just like by mistake it went off.
Air is coming out of window. So cover that window also.
Oh, no problem. And should
Now
I get
it's
this
fine.
serving
Yeah.
plate?
By the time we'll prepare it. Now you can stop the video.
Alright. So now I guess like we'll check how is the bhaji.
Almost.
Let's check the kanda. It's cooked. Yeah.
Press and check.
Okay, let me.
Not like this. You
Then?
should take it and now it's breaking into.
Yes, so
pieces.
that means it's
That
cooked,
means it's
right?
cooked. See, the bhaji is all cooked.
And I just feel like eating
We'll
it.
have garnishing of coriander leaves we have cut already.
Yeah.
So can you put? Wow, that's nice. Bas, that's it. We'll remove this some bhaji. We'll off the gas.
Yeah. And we'll remove some on the serving bowl.
Okay. You have to be very careful while serving.
Yeah, because actually the spoon, if it hits me, then it's gonna like my hand will burn.
Let me put it.
Yeah. Wow, it looks so good.
You can have selection of the vegetables you want
Yeah.
and enjoy your lunch.
Yeah.
So that's it.
Yeah, that's enough. Okay. Wow, this looks really nice.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's add a piece of lemon.
So this is what.
This is the final product.
Thank you, viewers.
Yeah. Okay, so my lunch is ready. It was a great fun making. We have like I can't show you right now, but we have a guava salad, the bhaji, the desi ghee, tomatoes, cucumbers, and just a salad, and white rice with some coriander. The picture will be coming after I speak this. So thank you for watching and do subscribe, like, and share. Bye.
Thank you.